Hello guys, it's your favorite barber OGFC, and today I'm going to show you how to do a side fade. So our client requested that we reduce the hair. We started off by attaching our step 1 lever close and reduce the hair following the grain. Following the grain means the pattern which your hair grows and the pattern which you brush your hair. That's what it is. After that, we set up our bald line in front of the ear. Next up, we opened our lever all the way and went up about an inch after the bald line. Since we reduced our client's hair, there's no need for any guard in this fade. All we are going to do is to angle our clipper and adjust the lever as needed. Next up is carving or line up, however you call it. Now, while doing this, if you use a clipper, you close your clipper all the way. If you use a trimmer, you are good to go. While doing this, make your hand as steady as possible and make your corners as sharp as possible. See how I do it? Keep your hand steady and make your lines straight and sharp. While doing the C-cup, ensure you use the edge of your clipper to give you a fine looking curve. When you carve the side bun, ensure you do it gently so you don't scratch the client on the face or leave any mark. Same thing for the back of the head. You do it lightly and take it easy so you don't leave any scratch or marks on your client's head. Our client requested a zigzag head design, so we are going to do that using the edge and the center of our trimmer. As a beginner barber, if you don't know how to do this, you can sketch the design you want to do with powder and go ahead and draw it using your trimmer or clipper. We got our client looking from this to this.